Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning. We are taking out some UPS packages. We are sending them off this morning. I'm also going to a coffee shop, so I'm gonna go get some work done there, and then we'll come back. I have PT for my knee at 2 p.m., but I will be doing customer orders throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I've just now wanted to start showing the ins and outs in business, whether it's good or bad. If you're trying to start a business, or you're already starting a business, or have had a business for years, and you just want to see the other side or see another point of view of someone else's business. So I run a sticker business, a toy business, and a paper business. That's what I've been doing for the past couple of years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So I am back from the coffee shop, and I just got approval on these really cute name tags. So I'm going to get started. We're doing 50 of them, and if you like some, we're gonna do more later on. So we're starting with those, and then I have to go to PT, I think, afterwards. But if I don't, well, I mean, I still have to go, but if I can get more done, then we'll do customer orders. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so this is the last sheet I had to do. I stopped filming because it was just repetitive. This is the last sheet. This is 50 of them, and that's what he ordered. I did throw a few more in there, of course. So that is done. Now we are going to work on customer orders and get those out. I got some news. My account on Amazon has been unfrozen. I just transferred over almost $18,000 to my bank account today. It'll be in my account in 3 to 5 days. I want to thank everybody for being here and supporting me through the times that were really tough, because I had to pull money from my other accounts, from investment accounts, acting very, very frugal with my money, and hard work to survive the last 2.5 months of this. And again, thank you all so much for being there for me. It's been very emotional, and just thank you all for being there. So this should be done soon, and I'll get my money and get back to normal. So thank you all for being here for me. Thank you so much. All right, let's get back to the video. I don't know why I'm so emotional. I'm happy. I'm just more like crazed. This is crazy. All right, guys, so we're going to finish up this video doing some customer orders, and then I'm going to get out surfing because there's a swell going on right now, and I want to get out there. And I'm so happy right now. Like it hasn't really hit me, and I think throughout this whole thing, my emotions have been pretty blocked on the fact that I was actually sued and all my money was frozen. But if I were to have let it get to me, I don't think I would be able to be mentally where I'm at right now. So just trying to embrace this right now and go surfing a little bit. So thank you all for, again, being there for me. So let's get to work. Let's get these orders out and let's go surf. All right, y'all, orders are done. There was only a few on this one. I had a few other ones that I got done as well, but this is what I got right here. So we are done. Crazy day, crazy emotions, honestly. So thank you so much for watching. We are now gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so funny enough, we actually made money on Walmart. So $17.25, so 2 bumper stickers, $29.41 on eBay, and we made $309 on Amazon yesterday, which you can see today. We are up at $366, so we'll see how the end of the day goes. So yesterday we made $356. So follow me if you guys are interested for tomorrow's sales, because it seems like we're already at $360, and we'll see what we're gonna be at by the end of the day. So if you guys like these videos, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit 30K a month. Guys, this has been a huge day for me. I finally got my account unfrozen on Amazon, and I can get my money now a lot sooner than having my account frozen and not ever getting my money. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all who have supported me through this all again. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so people like you can follow and watch me grow this business and businesses. So thank you all so much. Have a great rest of your night. I'll see you all tomorrow.